Hello guys! Today's look will be an affordable Valentine's Day look, so if you want to see how the makeup will turn out, keep on watching. Alright, I will start with my eyes, and first I will prime my eyes with L'Oreal True Match Concealer. As you can see, I already did my eyebrows. I don't know what's wrong with my skin right now, it looks horrible, and also I am having this self-tanning lotion on my skin, so my face is lighter than my rest of my upper body. I don't know if that's so visible on camera, but anyway, so that makes me look even more weird, and I'm just having a little crisis right now. For this eye look, I will be using the Lotte London Shadow Swatch The Nudes eyeshadow palette. And first I will set the concealer with the light shade. This eye look will be fairly simple since I'm planning on using false lashes and putting on red lips. Spoiler alert. So we will not make the eyes super dramatic. So next I will take this shade and put it in my crease to define my eyes a little. Then with a bit more dense brush, I will take the slightly darker shade and also put it into my crease to make the color a bit more intense. Valentine's Day for me is a bit, in my country it is called Friends Day. So we celebrate friendship first and foremost, and in Sweden where I live now it is called the Day of All Hearts, whatever that means. So we don't have that whole Valentine thing, but I still thought it would be nice to create this kind of Valentine's Day look, because if you go out or even if you don't go on a date or anything, maybe you still want to wear this kind of look. So yeah, but that is a bit different from the traditional American Valentine thing, because we don't have it. I have to show you this mug. My friend got me this for my birthday. It's a DIY mug. I could choose how I want to decorate it myself. So first I thought about using it for coffee because it's a coffee mug, but then I found this quote, or came across this quote, keep calm and love makeup, so I just thought I'll put my brushes in here, and I think this turned out so cute. But okay, back to the eyes. And next I will take the darkest shade and put this more to the outer corner of the crease, but obviously dragging it a bit towards the inner corner too, so that it gets blended to the rest of the eyeshadow. And then going over with the first shade that I use and blending everything. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Blending everything together. Next, I will apply eyeliner, just a thin line to help the false lashes then to look, well, I can't say more natural, but it helps the band to become a bit more invisible. And this was the Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner. What I like about this look is that you can do this with pretty much any brand, any makeup that you have. And also personally I'm doing this with pretty much only drugstore makeup, so it's also really affordable to do, like I think I mentioned in the beginning. For foundation, I will use L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. This is in the shade 1.D/1.W Ivory, Golden Ivory. I'm gonna mix it with this Lumene Invisible Illumination Instant Glow Watercolor Bronzer drops to make this a bit darker. I don't often use self-tanning products, and even in the summer I don't get super tanned, and I don't wear foundation that much, so that's why I don't own a suitable shade at the moment. But luckily the drops work pretty well to make the foundation a bit darker. Ooh, what kind of master idea was to do the eyeliner before foundation. And then using the same True Match concealer that I used for priming my eyelids to highlight my face. Then I will slightly bronze my face using Smashbox contour palette. Off the face makeup, I will highlight my face with Lumina Invisible Illumination Instant Illuminizer highlight drops in Rosy Dawn. And before adding the fake lashes and lipstick, I will try to set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. This is basically empty, but I try to get the last drops of the product pumped out to my face for this look. Okay, and now comes the hard part, applying the fake lashes. I normally don't wear them, but today I want to test these lashes out. These are Ardell Demi Wispies. My friend recommended these for me and I have not used them before today, so we'll see how they look on me, but I already cut them to fit my eye. And before applying these, I will curl my lashes just really lightly and then, or slightly, and then apply mascara. Oh my gosh! Now I remembered again why I don't wear fake lashes. And now the lashes are on. They are by no means perfect, but they are okay, and that's pretty good for me. And last but not least, lips. For my lips, I will be using Tony Moly Panda Stream. Seriously, look how cute this lipstick is. I can't. My friend gave this to me on my birthday, this red shade and a pink one. I've never tested this before, so we'll see now how they work. applicator. It's not really good for applying the lipstick precisely. Of this lipstick is really creamy, so it was kind of hard to put on because it moves easily, and also it keeps getting on my teeth. Damn. The color I think is really pretty, and the packaging is so cute that you can just have them somewhere in your room, like as a decoration. But yeah, the texture is a little hard to work with. This is how my Valentine's Day look turned out. I think this look is very classic, but also pretty in all its simplicity. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you like my channel and want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you all have a Valentine's Day full of love, whether you spend it with your family, friends, or a significant other. Bye guys!